Welcome to another episode of Cooking in Tita Lily's Kitchen. For today, I am going to cook sweet and sour pork, my version. And here are the ingredients. In this recipe, I'm using pork belly or tiempo. It's nicer if you remove the skin, kaya tinanggal ko na ang balat. I have here pineapple pieces, red bell pepper, carrot, onion, freshly ground black pepper, salt, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Also, 1 to 2 eggs, Chinese cooking wine, cornstarch. And for the sauce, I will use plum sauce, then brown sugar, ketchup, and we need also vinegar, soy sauce, and water. And we need oil for deep frying. Now let's do this. First, I'm going to slice the pork into small pieces. Just like this. Ito ang paborito kong parte ng baboy, yung bang liempo, kasi may taba, may laman, and yung taba niya, it gives so much flavor. Pagkatapos hiwa-hiwain, ilagay sa bowl and add ground black pepper, salt, yung baking soda, and Chinese cooking wine. Yung baking soda, yan ang ginagamit kong tenderizer. But don't put too much. I will marinate this for 1.5 hours. Or enough time for baking soda to work. Here comes the marinated pork. Next step is to coat it with cornstarch. So, in 1 egg, I think 1 egg is enough. And add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Just make sure that every bits and pieces of this pork is coated with cornstarch. It's easier to use my hand. This is ready for deep frying. Painitin na natin ang mantika. I'm going to fry this in batches. But I am going to drop it one at a time so it doesn't stick together. Cook this until it's golden brown. And I think this is done. And now I'm going to take this out and put another batch. So ngayon, ganun din. Ilalagay natin isa-isa para hindi magdikit-dikit. At hintayin lang natin itong maging golden brown. So okay na to. Para mas lalo maging crispy itong ating pork, double fry natin. For at least a minute. Then, we'll move on to the next. And pork is looking good and looking very crispy. Now for the sauce. In a small pot, I will mix all the sauce ingredients. That is water, vinegar, soy sauce, ketchup, plum sauce, and brown sugar. I'll bring it to a boil, and while waiting, I will make slurry to thicken the sauce. Now it's boiling. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons first. Then I'll keep adding till I get the right consistency. I would like to greet one dedicated teacher of Nasugbu West in Nasugbu, Batangas, Mrs. Sol Tagle. Hello, Ma'am Sol. All your comments are noted. I think I need to add more cornstarch. Now I got the right consistency. In a pan, put 2 tablespoons of oil. I will make a quick stir fry. So onion, carrots, red bell pepper, and pineapple pieces. Ilagay na natin ang pork. And finally, yung sauce. Yung konting halo lang. And there you go. Our sweet and sour pork is cooked. Please check the ingredients and measurements of this recipe in the description box. And this is my version of sweet and sour pork. Please try this recipe, it's really good. Thank you for watching, but please don't forget to subscribe. All you need to do is click the subscribers button below. So bye for now, till my next video.